So, are you wondering how to register on Variable X? Don't worry, let's walk you through it step by step. To begin, open your browser and go to variablexweb.com. What you just saw is the home page of Variable X Web. Now, on the home page, there are different menus. I want you to go ahead and click Registration. After clicking Registration, you will see a button that says Register Now. Click on it. The following are the registration options. When you start the registration process on Variable X, you will first see a form with two buttons, Become a Member and I already have an access code. Choose the option that applies to you. If you are new and you do not have an access code yet, you will need to click Become a Member. This will take you to Buy Me a Coffee, where Variable X memberships are managed. On the membership page, you will see different learning levels. Digital Foundations focuses on computer basics, internet use, online safety, and everyday digital skills. While Digital Explorer focuses on productivity tools, job skills, and technology used at work and school. Digital Professional focuses on coding, web development, and advanced digital skills. And Digital Pro Labs focuses on hands-on projects and real-world technology experiences. Choose the level that fits your goals. After selecting your group, you will enter your card information and personal details to complete your subscription. Once you finish, you will see a thank you message. In that message, you will receive your Variable X access code for the group you subscribed to. Make sure to save this access code. Next, return to the Variable X registration page. This time, select I already have an access code. You will be asked to enter your name, your email, and your Variable X password. Make sure your email is correct because you will use it to log in later. When you are done, click Next. Now, select the same group you subscribed for on Buy Me a Coffee, then enter the access code you saved. After that, select your state and your city and then click Register. You will then be taken to the login page. Enter the email and password you created during the registration. Click Login, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will access your lessons, you will view assignments, you will track your progress, and you will receive announcements, and you'll be able to see more than that. Now, you are ready to start learning on Variable X. And that's it. You are now registered on Variable X and you are officially one of the Variable X students. We are so thrilled to have you here. Please note that some of you may find the dashboard disabled. This is because the term is either closed or you are registered for the next one. As you wait, please join the online class on Discord. The online class is very important for all of your students. When you are done joining the Discord class, feel free to continue exploring or you may log out. Until next time, this was Variable X.